Hey there, Ryker owners, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our rear fender accent kits for both the Can-Am Ryker and Ryker Rally. These rear fender accent kits are available in both a glossy carbon fiber, a raw carbon fiber, as well as a variety of different color options to match your Ryker's color profile. Now, if you're unfamiliar with our Tufskinz products, they first start off with a high-quality substrate, such as real carbon fiber, like these kits here, and then they're coated with a UV-resistant top coat that protects the kits from Mother Nature, and then they're backed with 3M VHP backing tape for maximum adhesion. Now, let's take a look at the installation process on both our shop Ryker and Ryker Rally. First, we'll start with the Ryker Rally, which will showcase our glossy carbon fiber option. Start by cleaning your surface area with an alcohol prep pad. Then make sure your surface temperature is between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit to maximize adhesion. Once that's dry, peel off a small section of adhesive backing tape. Line it up so that it's straight, and then press down firmly to adhere into place, peeling back small sections of backing tape as you go. Next, we'll install the kit on our Ryker NonRally edition. Now, this kit will showcase our raw carbon fiber option and is comprised of two pieces because the fender on the NonRally edition is quite a bit bigger. Now, start by cleaning your surface area with an alcohol prep pad. Then make sure your surface temperature is between 72 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit to maximize adhesion. Once that's dry, peel off a small section of adhesive backing tape, line it up so that it's straight, and then press down firmly to adhere into place, peeling back small sections of backing tape as you go. Next, take the larger piece and peel back a small section of backing tape from the bottom. Line it up so that it's touching the lower piece. And then once you have it nice and straight, press down firmly to adhere into place, peeling back small sections of backing tape as you go. And as you can see, once installed, the rear kit flows nicely with our tank protector kit. And there you have it, folks. So if you're looking to spice up the rear end of your Ryker or Ryker Rally, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a rear fender accent kit for your bike. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.